Don't buy! These Air Jordan 1s will not go up in price here in 2022. Free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. This is your last chance to enter. I'm going to be announcing the winner in my next video, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1. That's all you need to do to enter this giveaway. Good luck. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and make sure you guys subscribe, because the next giveaway is going to be a pair of Panda Dunks. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on these free sneaker giveaways. I'm looking to become the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and I need your help in doing that, so make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, leave a comment down below. All the engagement really does help, and I reply back to you guys in the comments, so make sure you guys leave a comment down below. It would mean the world to me if you guys can hit that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to 700 likes. 700 likes, Panda Dunk giveaway coming next. I'm looking to become the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube. Let's talk about these Air Jordan 1s that I don't think are going to be worth your time, money. I don't think these are going up in price here in 2022. This pair of Air Jordan 1s is reselling for around retail plus tax. There's not much profit to be made on this Air Jordan 1 right now at all, and in my opinion, it's gonna stay that way for quite some time. The price of this Air Jordan 1 could only go up, but I don't think they're worth your time, your money, your investment right now. I think you could wait till probably next year, honestly, for this sneaker to even possibly go up in price. A lot of sneakers go up in price, but some of them are just not worth your time and money. Don't buy these Air Jordan 1s. I don't think they're going up in price in 2022. One question I always get asked is, Danny, how do you clean your sneakers? And my answer is always Rejuvenator. In fact, I use Rejuvenator's cleaning wipes the most. They're very easy, great for on the go, and clean your sneakers very well. As you guys can see, my Jordan 1 lows here are pretty dirty around the toe. The wipes are very easy to open, tear it open, and there's actually two sides to every wipe that you can use to clean your sneakers. Take care of them, wipe away any quick dirt when you're on the go, anything like that, the wipes are perfect for. So, as you guys can see, we got some dirt here on my Jordan 1 lows. The wipes are very cheap, affordable, and honestly great to fit in your pocket when you're traveling. So if anyone scuffs your shoes, you get any dirt real quick on them, you wanna wipe them off, well, go ahead and use Rejuvenator's wipes to get the job done. Take care of any sneaker with Rejuvenator wipes. When I'm done with the wipes, I want to put Rejuvenator's water and stain repellent on my sneaker to keep them fresh, keep them protected at all times. So now I'm just gonna spray these a little bit. They're gonna be protected now from water, stains, anything like that, using Rejuvenator's products. The link is down below. Click that link and make sure you guys add some items to your cart, and you're automatically going to receive 10% off at checkout. Rejuvenator wipes and the water and stain repellent are the best way to go. Very affordable and cheap option to clean your sneakers, keep them fresh. When you spend all this money on some sneakers, you definitely want to wear them and keep them fresh. Make sure you guys do so with Rejuvenator. Link down below. Thank you once again to Rejuvenator for sponsoring today's video. I bought this Air Jordan 1 for well under retail. I posted on my Instagram stories a few weeks ago that I was looking to buy some Air Jordan 1s. A subscriber, one of you guys watching, actually hit me up, thank you bro, hit me up and offered me this pair of Air Jordan 1s for a crazy steal. I'm gonna be selling these Air Jordan 1s for just $1 again. If you guys have not seen the video when I did that last time, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you watch that video after this one. I want to sell Air Jordan 1s for $1 again. I was looking to buy some pairs to sell for $1. I was looking to spend under $200 per pair, and well, one of you guys hit me up and offered me this pair for well under retail. I only paid $130 shipped. And this is a men's pair, not a grade school pair. I can't wait to sell Air Jordan 1s for just $1 again. The last time I did it, it felt amazing, and the video's doing well, so make sure you guys check it out. Once again, link down below. So for $130, I had to grab these. I'm gonna be selling them for $1. This Air Jordan 1 is not reselling for much over retail at all. Will they go up in price? Sure, eventually. But will they be worth your time, your money, your investment, and waiting? In my personal opinion, I don't think this Air Jordan 1 is going up in price in 2022. I could be wrong. I'm not always right. This is just my personal opinion. Do you think that these will go up in price in 2022 or not? Let me know down below in the comments. The Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. Size 9.5. I'm going to be selling these for $1. I cannot wait to do that video. If you want a solid pair of Air Jordan 1s that you can wear, not spend crazy resale money on them, this is a very dope option. However, if you're looking to make profit on this shoe, if you're looking to buy them, invest in them, and hold them, I don't think 2022 is the year to do it. I think that these are gonna take way too long to go up in price, and there's multiple reasons why. We all know that the Japan Midnight Navy went up in price rather quickly. They were reselling for around $240 and quickly jumped up to around $300. This shoe did release in 2020. They're now currently at around $330, $340 in most sizes. They did go up back in 2021. It only took a few months for them to go up to around $300. Not a bad investment right here. So when this sneaker released in November of 2020, it took about 3 months, 2 to 3 months, for them to quickly hit $300. Now the Bordeaux that released in November of last year were about 4 months after the drop, 5 months actually after the drop, and they have not gone up in price at all. Color blocking is the same. Colors are a little different. Obviously, we have Midnight Navy. We have Bordeaux. Don't forget, guys, this is an older Jordan Retro colorway that was brought back and re-retro. These were also limited back in the day, hard to get. Not everyone had pairs. You didn't see this sneaker all the time. It looks like, to me, it seems like they made more pairs of these than they did these. And the demand is higher, of course, on the Midnight Navy because this is an older Jordan Retro that they brought back. Now, personally, I like, of course, the regular Nike Air tag better than this, but this is still clean nonetheless. Quality on both is very nice. The leather is very soft. The silver swoosh kind of throws it off, I feel like, for a lot of people, as well as the Bordeaux color. The Bordeaux colorway is not as wearable as the Midnight Navy Japan. Usually when new sneakers come out, we compare how that may do in the market compared to other previous releases, but in this case, I don't think it's safe to make the same exact comparison. Now, will the Bordeaux actually go up in price eventually? In my opinion, yes. Potentially to like $250, $260. I don't think they'll ever surpass the Midnight Navy price. So when the Midnight Navy is at around $3 to $320, $330, you can't really expect the Bordeaux to go up too much. This sneaker is reselling for around $180, $190 in most sizes. In my opinion, it'll stay that way for the rest of this year. I don't think they'll go up in price this year. I feel like this was a Jordan 1 that came, went, nobody really cared about too much. They sold out, of course. The prices were never too great to begin with, and this is just a Jordan 1 that I think a lot of people just don't care for. Not going to be a sought after Air Jordan 1 like the Midnight Navy Japan is. So in my opinion, don't buy the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux here in 2022 for reselling purposes. Don't sit on pairs. You should have sold them already. Don't hold them. They're not worth the investment, the time that they're going to go up, for the amount that they're going to go up. I don't think that it's really worth holding on to. Personally, I put the white laces in instead of the Bordeaux, but this is just a clean Jordan 1 nonetheless. Hey, I like these a lot. I think they're clean. It's not always about the resale, but I just want to give you guys this video to let you know that, hey, in my opinion, this is not it for 2022. There are, of course, a lot better Air Jordan 1 and just sneaker investments in general that you guys can buy, invest into, and hold, and then sell when the price goes up. In fact, I have a pair of sneakers on the way that I'm going to talk about that I think is the next big investment. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the patent leather bred Air Jordan 1s. This giveaway ends, well, this is the last chance. I'm picking the winner in the next video, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. 700 likes on this video, Panda Dunk giveaway coming up next, and a bunch of other sneaker giveaways and amazing content coming. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.